Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hardin County, Illinois, Northern Pope County, Illinois, Southern Saline County, Illinois, Southwestern Gallatin County, Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Equality to 6 miles south of Carrier Mills, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cave and Rock, Eddyville, Carver's Ridge, and Gross. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hardin, Pope, and Saline. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern Illinois area. Tonight, partly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly clear with a slight chance of showers.